for military reservists working for the House of Representatives when they are activated for more than 30 days. I introduced this bill after discussion with several House employees who also serve as members of armed services. When they are called up, these men and women must leave their homes, families, and jobs, often for an undetermined and unpredicted amount of time. While on active duty, these men and women earn the wages of full-time servicemen and forfeit their regular salary. Many leading companies have helped families survive during this troubling time by paying the difference between their usual salary and their active duty pay. This bill would do the same thing for House employees. It requires the CAO to provide that supplement for House employees when they are activated involuntarily. This is a good bill that honors the devoted public service of House employees who are not only serve as stewards of our democracy at home, but as a defender abroad. I thank the ranking member, Mr. Lundgren, and Mr. McCarthy, and now Mr. Harper here, for working with us on this legislation. I urge all members to support it, and I reserve the balance of my time.
Gentleman from Pennsylvania reserves the balance of his time. Gentleman from California.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I yield myself as much time as I may consume.
Gentleman is recognized.
As a member of the House Administration Committee, I am pleased to support H.R. 1679, the House Reservist Pay Adjustment Act of 2000.